Today I'm making strawberries and cream cookie cups. First I'm going to add 1 box of strawberry cake mix into a bowl. Next I'm going to add 1 egg and 1 stick of melted butter. Mix that up until a cookie dough forms. Next I'm going to add scoops of the cookie dough into a greased muffin pan. Then in the last 2 muffins I'm going to add some water and bake this at 350 for 20 minutes. While the cookies are baking I'm going to make the filling, so in a bowl I have 1 cup of heavy cream. Then I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of sugar and mix this up until stiff peaks form. Once the cookies come out of the oven, I'm going to use 1/4 of a cup measuring cup to make little wells in each cookie cup. Once the cookie cups are cooled, I put them on a tray, and now I have some whipped cream in a piping bag, and I'm going to pipe a swirl of whipped cream in each cookie cup. Lastly, I'm going to sprinkle some pink sprinkles on top. Here's an up close look at the strawberries and cream cookie cups.